In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Microsoft Excel for an easy integration process. If you're looking to streamline the way your form responses are managed, this guide is perfect for you. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer data from your Jotform responses directly into an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. Begin by heading over to jotform.com. Once on the sign-in page, you'll have a few options to access your account. You can choose to log in using your Google or Microsoft credentials, or if you prefer, an email address and password. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the specific form you want to link with Excel. It's a good idea to have this form already created and ready to go. Next, once you have your form selected, you'll head into Form Builder. Look towards the top of the page, and you'll notice an orange navigation bar. Click on Settings there. This opens up several options, and from the menu on the left side, you need to select Integrations. Integrations in Jotform allow you to connect with a wide array of other applications, making it a powerful feature for boosting productivity. In the Integrations menu, type Zapier in the search bar. Zapier is a tool that connects apps so they can work together, and it's the key component for linking Jotform to Excel here. Once you find Zapier, click on it. This will pull up a list of popular Zap's pre-configured workflows to connect your Jotform with different services. Now, scroll down to find Microsoft Excel among the integration options available. Once you locate it, click on Use this Zap. Selecting this option sets the groundwork for connecting Jotform to Excel. Now it's time to set the trigger event. For most form setups, you'll select New Submission in Jotform. This means whenever a new response comes in through your form, it will automatically initiate the transfer to Excel. Following this, you'll need to specify the action you want to take place in Excel. Typically, this action involves adding a new row. This ensures that every new form submission appears on a separate line in your spreadsheet, creating a clear, organized record of responses. Lastly, you need to map the specific fields in your Jotform to the corresponding Excel columns. This mapping step is crucial as it tells Zapier exactly where each piece of data should go in your spreadsheet, making sure all entries are correctly placed for easy analysis. With these steps completed, your Jotform and Excel are now connected, ready to work in unison process, smooth and efficient data management. If followed correctly, this integration will save you time and provide greater accuracy in maintaining records. I hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.